Diesel pump, not any other pump, not electric. Khatia. Yes, Prithviraj is very amused by Khatia. I can tell. Khatia. Wait, all states except state of Kerala. What? Keralites don't like Khatia or what? Gift pack. Why? I don't get this. Jackfruit, the only colored symbol, sudden color symbol aa gaya, okay? Jackfruit. They really want someone to take this. Leave the chaddi behind. It is time for pants. Oh. Yes. Again brought the house down. Okay, so everybody has a symbol in their mind now. Okay. Now we start the spam. Chat, tell me your favorite symbol till now. Symbol क्या होगा? Lakshmi ma'am, I will show you. So nerd friends, here is what happened today. I went to the DM's office and they gave me a list of symbols. I have picked. Okay, so these are the available ones. Okay, this is a list of free symbols. And it is outside the DM office. Okay, look at this. These are the number of symbols. Air conditioner, Almira, auto rickshaw. So chat, if you like any symbol, just spam chat. Okay, if you look at any symbol and you like it, spam chat. I will see the popularity. We get to pick 3, so we have to go by priority. Yeah, okay. Baby walker, balloon, bangles, basket containing fruits in all states and union territories except Tamil Nadu. I have no idea why. Basket containing fruit. Balloon, okay. Bat, batsman, battery torch, bead necklace, belt, bench, bicycle pump, binoculars, biscuit. Again, what kind of biscuit is that? I don't know. Blackboard, boat with man and sail. Friends, another thing, when you think of symbol, no, think of slogans also. Yes, because if we pick a symbol and the slogan is Dhachu, Dhanchik, Dhunchik, must slogan hoga na. Bas, जीत गए फिर. जीत गए. Bread, sliced bread, like this, in this format. You have to use only this format. Bread toaster. So bread and bread toaster both. Bricks, briefcase, brush, bucket, cake, and also one piece taken away. It's this let them eat cake scenario happening here, okay? Mary Antoinette. What? Mary Antoinette. Calculator, camera, can. Okay, this is a can, I guess. Okay, can do. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Capsicum. Carpet. Chat. Carpet. No. Kalim. No. Carom board. No, this is a very bad rendition of a carom board. It looks like a threatening flag to me. I don't know. Cauliflower from up top. Not like this. Up top, okay? So this doesn't look like a cauliflower. It looks like something bad. CCTV camera. There is a CCTV camera we can get as a symbol. We can be the privacy party also. Chain. Chakki. Chapati roller. Chappals. Chess board. Politics के गेम में शतरंज खेलेंगे. We'll come up with a slogan. There are so many possibilities. घोड़ा, हाथी here. See, like अभी तक तुमने घोड़ा और हाथी का चमत्कार देख लिया है. अब प्यादे का कमाल देखो. Mind blown. Love it. Chimney. of a brick kiln, clearly, not a factory chimney. Not a Santa Claus wala chimney. Clip. This is a paper clip, which looks like a handbag also. Quote, coconut farm with 4 different things. I think this is inspired by that movie, the one with the W. What is that? I don't know. Whatever movie. Hathi Ghoda Palki, Jai Kanhaiya Lal Ki. What? There is nothing to do with the symbol. That's. Don't suck at making slogans. It's a very important skill. We are going to need a slogan. Okay, chat. Color tray. Computer. The old one, not the new one. Old one. Like ऐसा Mac wack भी नहीं है. The old one. The धड्डा monitor वाला. Gen Z votes गया हमारा. If we have this symbol, okay? Just saying. जैसे ये कौन सा old जमाने का elder millennial खड़ा हो रहा है. Computer mouse. Cot. Crane. Cube. Cutting pliers. Diamond. Hira. Oh, okay. Diesel pump? not any other pump, not electric. Khatia. Yes, Prithviraj is very amused by Khatia. I can tell. Khatia. Wait, all states except state of Kerala. What? Keralites don't like Khatia or what? What is this? Dolly. Oh, I just got it. Dolly. Like dig, dolly. Wow, that's a symbol of oppression. That's not great. Dish antenna, doorbell, door handle. Diamond is the best. Crystal power, okay. Door handle. I'll give you time to spam chat, huh? Don't worry. अभी बस दिखा रहा हूँ सब कुछ. Then इसके बाद I will tell you to spam according to whatever symbol you like. हम hive mind है. We are very hive mindy. Door handle, all states except Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Door handle. Okay. Drill machine, dumbbells. Dustbin, dumbbells. Irony. Earrings, all states except Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Kerala and Karnataka. What? Okay. And also, why these? There are so many other earrings. Electric pole with 2 street lights. Envelope. Extension board. Flute. Football player. Fountain. Frock. Frying pan. Funnel. Ganna kisan. Gas cylinder. Gas stove. Gift pack. Why? I don't get this. Freebies. What is inside? Freebies. 3,000 rupees for mahilas once you open the gift pack. What for gift pack to open gift pack? Oh my god. Okay. I see merit there. Ginger. I'm very upset there is no garlic. Is there? No. Grapes. Green chili. Hand cart. Pandora box. Someone said, Ito said Pandora box. Okay. Harmonium. Chat, you know what a harmonium is, right? Headphone. Helmet. Hockey and ball. Okay, this helmet is... ऐसे helmet पहनेंगे. I will protect you from bad air. Yes. I can see a TVC running in my head. Hourglass. Ice cream. All states except Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu वालों को ice cream पसंद ही नहीं है. What is this? Tamil Nadu? You don't like ice cream or what? Immersion rod. Again, why? Why? Immersion rod. Iron. But this is mad relator. Mad relate. Jackfruit. The only colored symbol. Sudden color symbol aa gaya, okay? Jackfruit. They really want someone to take this. I don't know. kettle in all states except Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim, Tripura, West Bengal. No idea why they hate kettle. I'm guessing because you know, PTSD from Chaiwala. I don't know. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Oh, sorry. Kitchen sink. Again, we can do like a classic Elon move. We can take a kitchen sink. We can enter places like, let this sink in. I am your candidate. Okay. No, these are the list of available symbols for any party throughout the country. But those states mentioned as except already have parties using the symbol. Is it because they have the symbol? Because no. So I asked this. I don't know how true it is. The election commission people, again, the people I'm asking questions to also have to find out a lot of answers, I realize, because they must be from some other department. They might be teachers, etc. So I asked them ki why are they some of these restricted. One of them said that some states find it insulting or it is culturally inappropriate, that symbol particularly, or maybe I don't know if some party has taken it. So I don't know, maybe your reason might be correct actually, but I'm just saying I'm going with the first explanation because content right now, at least till we find the real answer. Ladyfinger, bhindi, lady purse. What? Not just a purse, lady purse. Laptop. Oh, laptop bhi hai. So there is a computer and there is a laptop. Okay. Latch, letterbox, lighter. Ludo. Guys, what is this? This is insane. This symbol, I don't know why I was so intrigued by this. Seriously, Ludo. What? अपने वोट के साथ मत खेलिए लूडो. No. Something to do with Ludo. No, sorry. Can I make a bad joke? Vote for Ludo because other people just luto. Just brought the house down, didn't I? Looks like a fancy Nazi symbol. That's true, dude. Oh my god, yes. Oh shit. Swastika. Guys, please, हमारे cultural roots. Lighter in Delhi, yeah. Lunchbox, like a proper badly like image of lunchbox. Matches. Mic नहीं, microphone नहीं, mic. It's mic. M-I-K-E. It's mic. Mixie, again, not a mixer, it's mixie. Nagrik. Okay, this one really confused me. What is this? Chat, explain this to me. What is this? What, why? What is, and also you have to recreate this exactly as is. Also, by the way, in this symbol, they have taken care of third gender also. Did you see? It's very sensitive. It is super woke. The symbol is very woke here, if you look at it closely. Hey, चल तुम लोग polygamy वगैरह के बारे में सोचना चालू मत करो, okay? Like this is man, woman, third gender, trans person, okay? Nail cutter. Now nail cutter seems like an interesting. We can बहुत कुछ nail cutting हो सकता है. Necktie, noodle bowl. Now this The only fear is that people will say China ने fund किया है. बस फिर मतलब तो anything related to China, Chinese, whatever. बस. Pan. Okay, this is not a pan. This is a kadhai. They have written pan on this side. They have written kadhai on this side. So I don't know. Pants. Leave the chaddi behind. It is time for pants. Oh. Yes. Again brought the house down. Peanuts. Not a peanut. peanuts with like multiple peanuts. किस कलर की पैंट पहने हो? I'm wearing brown. Pears in all states except Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. They don't really like fruits, I realize. I think Tamil Nadu and Puducherry don't like fruits as their symbols for some weird reason. Because like apple भी नहीं था, ये भी नहीं है. I'm seeing a pattern here. Jackfruit भी नहीं था, I think. Peas, pen drive, pen nib with 7 rays. Okay, very, very accurately. Also, guys, this might be the symbol for press freedom. Think about it. Pen with 7. It looks like a ready-made symbol for a party, honestly. Like this is one very like one of those things, no, where you put it in the list and they're like, if anybody is smart and thinking about a party symbol and how to design it, they'll go for this. Yeah. Pen stand bhi hai. So either option. Pen stand with 7 rays nahi hai, but it's just pen with 7 rays. Pencil box, nostalgic. Pencil sharpener, pendulum, pestle and mortar, petrol pump. Dharmendra Pradhan will be very happy. Phone charger. Why is phone charger? I can't. There are no eggs, guys. There is no eggs. Trish, I know there are no eggs. I saw. No anda. But something will come very soon, which might intrigue you. Pillow, plastering trowel, plate containing food. This is plate containing food. Can you put any food in it, or does it have to be this food? Because I can't see the food. It's roti, chawal, lots of stuff, and papad भी उसमें. रायता भी दिख रहा है. रायता मत फैलाओ, पेट भर के खाना खाओ. Vote for plate containing food. खाने से भरी थाली. Is there a PUBG pan too? Yeah, there is. Plate stand, pot, pressure cooker, punching machine, razor. Not going to go with the image, definitely. No. Refrigerator, ring, road roller, robot. Guys, you want to go all Elon on this? Then we can. If you want to attract Elon Musk tweets and votes, we will basically do one tweet to Elon Musk saying, look, I have chosen my party symbol inspired by you, and फट जाएगा फिर सब कुछ. दुनिया फट जाएगी फिर. Yeah? Thoughts? Room cooler, room heater. So there is cooler and heater. What do you want? Do you like winters or do you like summers? So we lose summer vote if we do room heater. We lose winter votes if we do room cooler. It's nice. It can't be both. Just no. Rubber stamp, safety pin, air purifier should be there. Actually, you're right. Saw, school bag, scissors, sewing machine, ship, shoe, shutter. Corruption ka shutter down. Vote for shutter. Corruption ka shutter. No, it doesn't. It's a closed shutter, na? Shutter kholo, things are inside. I don't know. Sitar, skipping rope, slate, soap dish, socks, sofa, spanner, stapler, stethoscope, stool, stump, swing, switchboard. Someone left a comment under my announcement video saying मेरा switchboard बदलना चाहिए because it's a fire hazard, and I agree. This is a very old home that I live in. Yeah. Syringe, TV remote. I was trying to see if there is any Tata Sky stuff on it. No. It does have play, pause, everything. Huh? Table, tea filter. मतलब छाछनी, चाय छलनी. See again, chai chalni. Think about the what the significance is. Significance of chai chalni. Telephone, television, tennis racket and ball, tent. Okay, this one. Throwing a javelin. is a symbol, and that looks like Neeraj Chopra, doesn't he? Chat, can you check if his jersey number is 94? Like if it was actually 94. I mean, this might be like a very interesting thing. Tiller, toffee, tongs, except Bihar and Jharkhand for some reason. Chimta. Toothbrush, toothpaste. But the toothbrush already has toothpaste on it. You have to use it exactly like this, by the way. Tray. Triangle. How did this get through? And it's a right angle triangle, huh? Just a triangle. It's infinite. The possibilities here I was thinking was like, bhai, triangle? No. Truck, trumpet, tube light, typewriter, tire, vacuum cleaner, violin, walking stick, wall hook, wallet, walnut. That looks very bad actually. That symbol just watermelon, jackfruit colored tha. Why is the watermelon not colored? I if this was colored, yeah, maybe. Water tank. Well, again, well ka, I think this is a clip art thing, okay? Wheelbarrow, whistle, window, woolen needle. Okay, chat, that was the entire list. Have you picked? If you have picked a favorite symbol, please say hi, then we will start hive minding. Okay, before that, until you say hi, I'm going to answer Epiphone's very, very relevant critique. Hey man, I'm sorry if this comes off being harsh. No, you can be harsh, it's fine. I'm a public personality, you can be harsh to me. But I seriously, this election thing you're doing as being a stupid exercise in futility and waste of time and resources. I absolutely hear you, friend. I absolutely hear you, and I have thought about this long and hard as well, right? I have spoken to many people who have told me the same thing, including friends and family. Okay. They have been like, what is the point? It is not great. It is stupid, etc. Now, I'll tell you honestly why I'm doing this. Because I'm curious about this, right? As an independent candidate, I want to genuinely find out how difficult it is or easy it is to become, to get my name on the ballot, right? See, I'm losing my money. I'm losing my deposit. I know this. The reason why I'm calling it Project Anda is because I have no expectation of votes, honestly. This is something I'm trying out, and I'm going to document this entire thing. You see, like I'm going to look at the nomination papers. I'm going to try and make it as fun as possible. This will be super stress free, because honestly, I feel like more people need to stand for elections who are better than me. I mean, I don't have any resources. I don't have any right now organization skills, at least, because I don't have a cadre, right? But maybe, like, for example, Sham Rangila tried in standing against Shri Sir Adarniya Narendra Modi ji, even though everybody knew it was pointless. They didn't even let him stand, right? I was like, that's an interesting idea. So I'm trying this now, right? Maybe tomorrow we will come to a point where someone else will try and actually win. And they would legitimately be a great candidate to vote for, who are talking about politics, policies, who are being non-toxic, who are being just generally good people, normal people, normies like us, right? That is the whole point. Yeah. So, and if there is going to be one such person later, I want them to have an easy guide so that they can actually do it. A non-stressful, non-intimidating guide. Like, see, I have been stressing out like crazy through this. Like, genuinely, last 2 weeks, I have not been able to function. I have not been able to write because I have been nervous as hell, because I'm so intimidated by this process and bureaucracy, right? I just don't want anybody else to go through it, because at least मेरा content देख के they will feel like, ठीक है, इसने किया है ना, ये चोमू आदमी ने किया है ना, ये ऐसे सिंबल्स देख के मजाक कर रहा है, whatever, इसने किया है ना, तो मैं क्यों नहीं कर सकता, right? That is the idea here. Just genuinely, I'm telling you. So it might seem stupid to you. I respect that opinion. It doesn't seem stupid to me. Okay, so everybody has a symbol in their mind now. Okay, now we start the spam. Chat, tell me your favorite symbol till now. I will see just SAE karke and see which one shows. Okay, pen is winning right now. I see pen a lot. Pen with raise. Yeah, pen with raise I see a lot. Okay. Truck I saw. Laptop I see. ट्रक फिर से आया. रोबोट स्पैम हो रहा है. रोबोट हो रहा है अभी स्पैम. ओके. कैमरा आई सॉ कैमरा फ्यू टाइम्स. शटर एक दिख रहा है मुझे. समवन इज स्पैमिंग शटर. 1 person. ओके. So far pen is winning. Okay. Syringe. No. Okay. Pen, calculator, diamond, robot. Okay. Robot बहुत सारा आ रहा है. So I'm not going to. I also see other robots. Okay. Okay. So far, I think pen is winning. Yes. So far, I think pen is winning. Okay, we can stop now. Shh, chat. Shh. Division. Here, tell you what I'll do is, I've been thinking that we need a communication medium for this, where we are talking about these things, where we can constantly talk about these things. So, let me introduce you to my subreddit. So, we are going to use this for now to have conversations about the elections. Okay, it's r/megnerdYT. There are already 1.3k subs on this. I'm going to share this. So what we will do is we will start a symbol thread. I will give you a link to this link to this page that I just used. You can basically do your thing. Wahan pe you can discuss the symbol. You can discuss whatever you want. The first thread that I'm going to start now is choose a symbol. Okay, let's do it. Choose a symbol. Let's do this. So you can go to yahan pe r/megnerdYT. Yeah. And in the next stream, we will go through that and we will look at the election symbols. Okay.